place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
Welcome back, guys. We are in the upper peninsula of Michigan. We're gonna go after some panfish, some walleye. This week we're gonna have probably 3 or 4 part videos with one of my buddies from work, Steve. You'll see him in the video. His brother and one of his friends came along, and we're gonna make a little tournament out of it. So we'll keep you guys posted. We're just getting ready to head out. It's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So keep hanging with us. We'll see you out on the ice.
Change my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay. People I can't stand them. They don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing. And I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I just wanna stay bad, stay mad, chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back, I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me, ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact, give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious, I'ma go cause some pain, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame, yeah.
Half an hour now, probably?
Yeah, probably half hour.
We got 2 perch so far, so we're just starting to get some bites. It's about 350. Got another one. This is a little guy. Back itch.
Disappeared a little bit.
Toss it.
Oh yeah.
We're sitting in about 11 foot of water.
Like some weeds on the bottom.
Yeah, looks like there's some vegetation down there. Just jigging right off the bottom. So like I was mentioning before, we're in a little contest with Steve's brother and his buddy. What was a perch? 2 points?
1 point for 7 inches.
1 point for 7 inches, and it's probably what it's about at is 7 inches to my standard, I guess.
Yeah. We'll find out here in a second.
3 on the board. I missed one just before I pulled that one up. He fell off right at the hole.
Caught 2 little ones.
Yeah, you got 2 small ones, and I got 3. Well, 2 technically I landed. So Steve was just getting ready to set up a bite me box. And then I hit, so he threw his panfish pole in. So we'll keep you guys updated and check back in with you shortly. What? Did that break you off? I think so, yeah. Decent size one. I got a size 20 boot, guys, so. Nice one, Steve. What's that? I'll hold it up. Pike, just a couple inches shy of legal. It's 22, right? About that, 22. So, just caught a decent perch, probably 8.5. So, we're gonna finish this out. We still got our bite me boxes out. Keep an eye on them. But we'll keep you guys posted. Well, boys and girls, the bite's just starting to pick up. Just caught a keeper walleye, 16 inches, 16. We'll keep that. We got 4 perch so far here that we've kept. I keep getting a bunch of bites. I just had a good one hit. I got something hitting right now. Steve still doesn't have a pole in the water. So this is our second spot that we moved. First one, I can't remember if I said or not, but kind of died out after about an hour of catching small ones. Apologize, guys, I didn't get the walleye on film. I was on FaceTime with Amber and Weston. See if we can get some on film. Have a nice perch.
Alright, see ya.
Nice perch, guys. What is that? 8-9 inches, probably? You do anything for us, or what you doing over there?
I'm trying. I'm pretty sure I drove you here. I drilled your holes.
Nice. Heck yeah.
What did that wonder bed do? That thing's hot everywhere.
I know. Hell yeah.
Let's try to get back down there because we got
Yeah.
in schools. We barely hooked him too.
Yeah. I'm about to put it on. Caught a nice walleye, guys. Using a glow. Should I re-glow it or no?
Oh yeah.
Using a Wonder Bread glow with the walleye bait. Show your skills. Those electric ones are nice. You take the cheeks out of those?
Yeah, I will. That's so nice.
I know. I don't have to do like any work.
How good have you used it on bluegills?
I have on the bigger ones. The smaller ones, they're too sharp.
Oh.
It's hard to get not cut through the backbone, but normally I'll get a little bit here. Right here in these walleye. These are called walleye pearls.
What is it?
How they see at night.
How they see it so well at night.
Oh, really? You eat them?
No, they're walleye pearls. They just look like a pearl.
Some people make necklaces and stuff out of them. They harden them.
Kendi likes them. When I catch walleye, I give her a couple of them.
Oh, that's good. Little bead.
Yeah.
Alright guys, we made her back to the cabin. We got a decent catch today. We ended up tying for points. What do we have? 7?
7 points each.
7 points for each team. So we all had to chug some beers. Appreciate you guys for watching. Make sure you check back next week. Be day 2. So make sure you guys like, subscribe, and as always, shoot straight, keep your lines tight.